art which I was actually looking for, and look at it, guys. Look at this. So I'm going to actually I found what I was looking for, so this is okay. This is okay. I hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time to come across this channel, this is Milejage official, guys. And today's video, so it's so exciting because today we are installing our new curtains. We are hosting. My sister-in-law is coming, and she's coming with her kiddos. So yeah, and I want to see their reaction. She saw the seat and she was so happy about it, so she didn't leave the curtain. So I want also to see her reaction on this video. I'll take them their reaction and how they'll see the house, the new look of the house. So yeah, guys, are you excited as I am? So I'm going to cooking, and still I will be installing the curtains because they're almost here. In 30 minutes they will be here, so I want them to find the curtains on. And yeah, so let me go first. I'm preparing rice and tomatoes and some meat. Yeah, just a simple late lunch. Yeah, so see you later, guys. So guys, I'm here boiling the meat and it's boiling. So I normally boil my meat, guys.
Look at this. Yes.
Hi, baby. I'm fine. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. How are you? I've missed you so much. Okay, well, guys, I hope you are keeping well. And guys, how is the weather in your area? In our place it's so cold, guys. So today I didn't finish buying the decors because I bought the curtains but I didn't find the decors and I was a bit busy. So I'm going to find some in our area. There's a shop, so I'm going to find whether I can get something from that shop. I don't know what they really have, but I'll take you along, guys. So I'm going there actually alone, so with you guys. So let's go and find what we can get there so that we can, I really want you to see how the outcome of the curtains and some few decors here and there. So let's go, guys. On my way home I found this art which I was actually looking for, and look at it, guys. Look at this. So I'm going to actually I found what I was looking for. So this is okay, this is okay. Guess which one I will pick. Hi guys, so guys, we are on the next day and I want to show you the final look of the house, how we have managed to arrange. And as you can see behind me, you can see the photos here. They were not there, so let me show you the rest of the living room, and then comment below what you think about this. Just a simple makeover of our living room, guys. So let's get to it. So guys, this is it. Okay, so the photos were there. They are here, like we have placed them there just now, because we have this painting. You saw where I bought these paintings. They were so affordable and they are so simple and beautiful. They come with, look at the pillows and the throw pillows, that is, and the color of this paint. And then you come over here to the curtains. You tell me, they bring the blue in the house. So yeah, that's why I went for this color, guys. That's why I love this color. After seeing it, it was a hassle to find them, but finally I got them. So yeah, guys, you want to see the curtains. Our new curtains are here, and let me show you now. This is how the house looks like. Look at this change. I'm loving it. And yeah, the only thing now we're remaining, the carpet and the lighting, guys, which will be next, hopefully soon. But for now, I'm happy with this look. I'm loving it and I'm grateful. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow.
So that's it, guys. That's it for our living room. I see you on my next video. I hope what we'll be doing will be amazing. So guys, tell me what you think on the comment below, and yeah, tell me what you think of our new look, and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next video, bye.
Go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.